The 80s. Upon playing Madden for the first time, Darian Foster and Marshawn Lynch Sr. start an epic rivalry that will shape football in the modern era. They realize if they raise sons to be elite NFL running backs, they can use them to school each other in Madden. A unique and highly unorthodox conditioning program.
Hey, you don't scratch my car!
Becomes the crux of their training.
Run that bear over! That's that beast mode right there. Hey, push it out. No pain, no man.
Today, the sons have become the offensive threats of their father's dreams, spinning and juking their way to Madden domination.
He might have learned that from my son. He ain't learned nothing from your son.
A season 25 years in the making. Madden NFL 25. Rated E for everyone.
EA Sports. It's in the can. Official game console of the NFL.